Okay, this video is for some ribs. Unfortunately, I can't go live because it's too busy in here, but I'll make up for it during the week. So this is a recording, and I'm going to season these ribs, and I'm going to use Trick Daddy today. Yeah, look at that. He got everything in here that you need, but the writing is kind of small. But anyway, this is it. This is really good. It's good, especially for these ribs. Rose. Yeah, there's some good stuff. Shake generously. Yep. So, we're going to use this as a dry rub because it has everything in it. You don't need a whole lot. And then the next thing I'm going to use is just the onion, garlic, pepper from Chef Carmen. And some crushed peppers, some mustard, and some vinegar. Go to work. I'm gonna put some olive on here so the seasons can stick in. Put some mustard on here. And I'm going to put all this stuff on here and then I'm going to rub it all in. So I'm going to use this as a rub. So that means we're going to put a lot on here. But not where it'll be salty. And I own the rights to all that noise you hear in the background. That's my grands. And it's okay. Okay, so now let's do the onion, garlic. These are powders, so you can use as much as you want. Let's do the crushed peppers. And we're gonna rub this side in really good. Really massage it in. Take the other one, give it a good rub. See that? Give it a good rub. Let me move this stuff so you can see better. Okay, so now it's all rubbed in there good. And you know, when you have a flap, you gotta open up that flap, right? Make sure you get in there. Lastly, we're gonna pour some vinegar. Vinegar. I love the vinegar on the pork rib. It's gonna be a good rib, y'all. And I made sure that some of the juice from the vinegar is at the bottom of this pan so we can soak it up. Taste it now. Marvelous. That's good. I forgot one ingredient. We got to put a little brown sugar on that. But I just taste that seasoning. It is marvelous. We need a little brown sugar. forgot about that. I'm just gonna sprinkle that in and let it sit right where it's at. I'll leave it right there. And this makes the ribs savory. Put this a little more. Now she's ready to go in the oven. See that? And then I have my juice down in the bottom. Some more vinegar. But I'm going to sprinkle a little crushed pepper on the top. Just on the top I'm going to do it. Because the kids have to eat this too, so we don't want it too hot. But I'm going to cover this. And this is cooking on 350 until I get the results I want. So it could be an hour, hour and a half. It depends. You use your judgment for how long you want yours to stay in there. I'm probably going to do about an hour and a half because I don't want it to fall off the bone. So if you leave it in too long, it's going to fall off the bone. And these shouldn't fall off the bone. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to bring you to the other side of the counter. Yep. Let's sit you right here. I'm going to sit you right there. Because I didn't need this time. We are going to make some string beans. Trying to find some peppers, guys. Give me a minute. I needed to find these. So I'm going to be using cans today. So I got a house full and I got a lot of kids, right? So to make it real simple, we're gonna make these taste like they didn't come from the can. It's kind of easy thing, like to get them fed before they leave. And I said, what do y'all want to eat? And they said ribs. And I said, what else? They said string beans and potatoes, right? And I'm kind of getting tired now. But I love every minute of it. But I'm kind of getting a little worn a little bit. So it's time to just do something quick and go sit it down. But it's been a real exciting week down in Altoona. And then they all came back here to Harrisburg with me. It's been good. They've been good. But it's winding down a little bit now because I've been cooking. But this week, I will be live. I have a Hello Fresh. I have some other stuff, but once I rest up, okay? Maybe not tomorrow, but Tuesday. The rest of the week, I'll be on here quite a few. But I'm going to need to recharge the battery. I'm going to need at least 2 days to charge the battery, you know. My nurses will be here this week and working with me and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna need about 2 days. But anyway, let's make these and I could go sit down. Again, it's been good. My grandkids, my granddaughters, my grandsons, 2 of them are not here. I have 8, 2 are not here. The 2 boys are not here, the oldest boys, they're not here. But I did spend time with them while I was in Altoona. Okay, so let's do this. So I have these.
Nana,
I have some onions.
Nana,
Yes, dear.
we're cooking.
I'm gonna make some string beans.
You forgot?
Say hi. Look. Say hi.
Hi. nothing nut.
They saw you. Yes, they did. I guarantee you they saw you. I guarantee you they saw you.
What is that?
Hmm?
What is that? What is that?
That's the cameras on.
Come on.
Yeah. I'm making a recording.
Mommy.
Yes, a recording. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just getting the let's make some beef bouillon, okay? No, some chicken bouillon. I'm sorry, not beef. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to say beef. We're gonna take some better than bouillon, add some hot water, and we're gonna make our own chicken broth. Because now we got to make this taste like it didn't come out the can. We really do. We really want this to taste like it didn't come out the can. And I wanted to do something real big today, but we did that brunch thing. Then I was busy with the grands. And, you know, I think it's time to sit it down. I'm always overdoing it. So I have reached the point where, after I make this, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy them, just watch them do what they do. Okay, so here is our chicken broth, right? Would help to turn the eye on. And we're gonna put some onions in here. We're gonna make these babies taste like they did not come out of the can. Wait a minute, I need tell you what I'm gonna do as we go. Hey baby.
Here are the bell.
Of course we have to use the maple bacon by the Greens. Of course. We need to do this. And I'm going to tell you why. Oh, it got a little hard down in there. Hold on. Let me break it up a little bit. I don't know why it got hard. I don't like this. This shouldn't get hard. I don't know, but anyway. So. Here's that good stuff. Y'all know what this is, right? Some bacon grease, baby. Boom. Put a little of that goodness in there, right? Wipe it off. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. And we're gonna put some parsley. Sorry about that. I covered John well.
Come here. Come here.
Who is that? Give it a stir. Okay. Some flakes. Right? Watch me now. Capsule vinegar. That's a capsule. We got season all over this joker. Whew. Okay, and Chef Carmen's grain seasoning. mix is Lipton vegetable. It's the veggie mix. The veggie mix. See that? There we go. And now pour the juice off of this. And we're going to add potatoes later, okay? The potatoes come later. They're going to love this. Some got away. Alright? I guarantee you, this is going to taste like we snapped the tips off of these jokers. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. When I put the potatoes in, I might put a little butter. And we just gonna let that do what it do. Next time you see me, this will be finished. Again, I apologize for not going live, but when you got a house full like this, right? And loving it, doing 30 things at one time, it would be hard to do a live video. I thought I could pull it off. I was going to try to, but that would have been too much. So, when you see me again, it'll be a different pot. Potatoes will be in there. Everything will be done. The ribs will be done. And that's all they wanted was this and ribs and this. And that's all I'm going to make. All right, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, I'll see you when it's all done. And again, I apologize for not doing the live because I did say I would, but it's a little impossible. But you know, got my grands here. I'm happy about it. But I'll make up for it during the week. Again, we got some HelloFresh stuff going on. I think we got some red snapper. And we have this gourmet meal I want to make. So, I'll make up for it. See you later. Oh, like and share. Thank you.